What happens when you go on vacation? What happens to the restoration business? Hopefully everything is just fine and you don't have a worry in the world. But I want to tell you a quick story about how one of my clients just got back from 10 days in Italy and was thrilled with what happened while he was gone. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners get more profitable, reduce the chaos, and build something they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so what happens? My client gets back from a 10-day vacation in Italy with his family, and it was our first coaching call after we returned. So I said, how did it go? And he said, oh my gosh, it was amazing. We had a great vacation, and I came back to no problems. So here are the 4 things that he implemented that really made a difference from vacations that he had taken in the past. So number 1 is he got fanatical over this past year about process documentation. Documentation for everything, starting with the most important and most frequent things that had to happen in the business. So documentation. Number 2, training. Training became a real focus, and it was training in the field, training in the office, a combination of teaching those process documents, and also the use of video. So video in the field, video in the office, screencast video, software like Loom or ScreenPal, used to make it very, very clear how to accomplish a task. The third thing, task management technology, fancy term for a really good task manager, something that can be used on an Android, an Apple device, and from the office from any web browser. Something that you can set up recurring tasks with, something that you can link a document or link a video to very easily. The one that I endorse and I've used for years, although I get nothing in return and I don't ask for anything in return. I always want people to know that if I'm referring something, it's not because I'm getting something in return. I've used a program for probably the past 15 years called ToodleDo at toodledoo.com. Okay, so task management. The next thing is a simple daily email update. He put together a format for a daily email update that his office manager would send out every day. Now, he only did this leading up to vacation, but it's something that he's going to continue to have this person do because it was just so helpful to get a little snapshot about what was going on in the business every day. So that's it. If you have a vacation coming up, and even if you don't, I would encourage you to get one on the calendar. Start thinking about what you can do to make your vacation better, to make things happen while you're away without you, right? That's really the definition of a well-run business. It doesn't rely on the owner of the day-to-day operations. If you need any help, you need a little encouragement, if you need a brainstorming session, book a call with me by clicking the link below this video and we'll talk.